A beginner nail tech gets often breakage problem with sculpting nail enhancement technique. If you wonder why, you must watch this video till the end. In today's episode, we will show you how to construct a natural nail extension with a perfect C-curve using Salon Build Gel from Victoria Vynn. Hi again, this is Manji, International Nail Instructor of Victoria Vynn, and this is the nail series of Victoria Vynn dedicated to all the nail stylists who love sculpting nail enhancement using hard gel. So let's get to know more about Salon Build Gel from Victoria Vynn. The products and tools that we are using today are a primer acid, tape bond, build gel base, Salon Build Gel, pink cover number 8, shimmery hollow no wipe top coat. Additionally, we will need diamond flame bits, diamond round bits, filer and a buffer of 100 by 180 grit, dehydrator extra adhesion liquid, salon nail foam, a cuticle pusher, 5-oil complex, manicure brush, pincher, oval brush number 8, a nail art brush number 005, lint-free wipes, and a cleanser finish manicure liquid from Victoria Vynn. A beginner nail tech gets often breakage problem with sculpting nail enhancement technique. If you wonder why, you must watch this video till the end. As always, before we start our procedure, we'll disinfect our hands and put on disposable gloves. Also, not to forget to disinfect our client's hands. We use 100 by 180 grit filer to shorten the unnecessary free edge of natural nail. Precisely push the cuticle with cuticle pusher and start opening the cuticle with diamond flame bit. We should be lifting all the cuticle significantly in a continuous sweeping motion without any press on the natural nail plate. After that, here it comes our magical diamond round bit to remove all the lifted excess cuticle. Our next step is matting the nail plate with 100 by 180 grit buffer. Girls, remember not to overfile the natural nail plate because every step that we do into the natural nail plates are crucial because unknowingly we might be damaging our client's nail plate. Dust off with a manicure brush, then carefully dehydrate the natural nail plate with a wipe soaked in Dehydrator Extra Adhesion Liquid. Dehydrator Extra Adhesion Liquid is a must-have product in your salon, especially if you have client with oily natural nail plate, as one of the ingredients in it is butyric acid, which takes all the moisture from the nails and gives you oil-free natural nail plates. Also, it gives you better adherence to the product. We apply our essential to the nail plate to get no air pocket result. First thing, nail prep or primer acid. Suggested to use primer acid instead of nail prep if your client have very oily natural nail plate. After that, we will apply our tape bond and builder gel base coat in a liberal amount and saturate it to the nail plate with flat brush in a rubbing motion and cure it to the lamp for 60 seconds. Time to prepare the nail foam. We take the foam and stick the free edge of the wings parallel to each other, and we try the foams to measure the points to cut the foam as it's required. We cut the foam smoothly on the side wall and to the hypenicum area as it's required. Before starting our application, let's understand the construction's main elements that are related to the durability of the enhancement. We should focus on the side wall while fitting the paper foam, as our side wall should be parallel to the nail enhancement free edge. Another important point is the cuticle area. The product should not float on the cuticle area or touch the cuticles. Apex. Placing an apex in the right place and right amount. The apex is the arch over the stress area of the nail plate. Strategically placed with the right amount of product. It is necessary because it is the key point to prevent breakage. C-curve on the free edge. It is important because it will help our enhancement not to bend or flip easily. I hope this information will help you. So let's continue our procedure. We'll pick a small amount of build gel and place it to the joining point and start creating a skeleton of almond shape by saturating the product from one side to the other and making sure the parallel side wall. The joining point should be blended and cured to the lamp for 60 seconds. After we build all the fingers free edge or skeleton, let's remove the paper foam gently and do the correction if it's needed with gentle filing. If you don't have an idea about how many color shades Victoria Vynn Salon Build Gel has and what's the consistency of the products feels like, then we have a solution for you, as Salon Build Gel are available in 15 ml with huge range of variety, 16 color shades. We want you to try. You can get a small size of 15 ml which is available in all 16 shades, and you decide which is the most popular for your client. It's time to construct whole nail. Firstly, I will show you at incorrect application, which we do it as a beginner nail tech. We apply a large amount of product without creating a slip layer and constantly bouncing our brush on the nail surface and dragging the brush and taking all the product to the brush or to the free edge. The correct way is to apply a very thin layer to create a slip layer, and then we will take a large amount of product as is required and place it in the stress zone. We release the product on the nail surface and start working in a circular motion with a very light stroke almost in the air, focusing on the cuticle area, and we gradually go downward towards the free edge, simultaneously setting up our apex. If you need to go very close to the cuticle, you can use nail art brush number 005 to avoid touching to the cuticle. And flip the finger to set the apex in the right place. Once it's done, cure it to the lamp, and after some seconds, take out and pinch it with the pincher to create a perfect C-curve and cure it fully to the LED lamp for 60 seconds. We wipe the sticky layer with cleanser finish manicure, taking it in lid-free wipes. Using 100 by 180 grit filer, we'll start filing a proper almond shape and refine the free edge. We'll start filing the product around the cuticle, one side to the other. Then we will start filing down from the apex zone. We will file on the side wall in an upward motion, likewise to the other side by holding our filer in a gum position. After this, we will monitor our entire surface, side wall, and the C-curve to assure they are even. We will file from the side wall in a swing motion on the both sides of the nails to create a gentle arch. Lastly, we move in a zigzag motion on the entire nail surface to even out and smooth it. The thickness of the free edge of the enhancement nail should be as thin as 1 mm. We use 100 by 180 grit buffer to smooth the entire nail surface. Dust off with manicure brush and clean it with manicure finish liquid soaked in lint-free wipes. And we apply shimmery hollow no wipe top coat to give them elegant look. While applying shimmery hollow no wipe top coat, we must not touch the cuticle area and cure it to the lamp for 60 seconds. Last but not the least, after the full cure, we will apply 5 oil complex cuticle oil from Victoria Vynn to nourish the cuticles. Voila! That's how our model's nails looks like with perfect sculpted nail enhancement using Salon Build Gel number 8 pink cover. This is the end of our episode of Victoria Vynn Salon Build Gel step by step. By the way, do you know Victoria Vynn has two more variants of hard gel, that is mousse gel and fiber gel. And do not forget to subscribe our channel to follow our nail series with more informative nail tutorials. And do let us know on the comment which shade of Salon Build Gel you get to try. Thanks for your support and see you in next episode.